water, just like it from there.
Fishing time!
Is it? No more already. Your hands so free, right?
Yeah.
Can I get one basket?
Oh, which one?
Huh? We went to the
Malayo na yung tapon. It's okay, it's okay. Hindi ko alam na videohan. Yun na. You get tilapia. But we need to release it because it's very small. Oh, wait. Yun na. Say bye-bye to your catch.
Bye-bye.
Release natin kasi maliit. Pang ilan mo na yan? Pang apat?
Apat.
Wala nang bait? Ah, be careful ha. Oo, mahook ka. Okay na. Ano, wala nang bait?
Walang malalaki.
Meron, pero
Anything else?
the small one, should we put back?
Oh, the small one? Yeah,
Uh-huh.
I think you should. Oh, why was so many small? I think you should put back in the plastic and shoot the youth.
Hindi na. Uy, don't touch. Matusok ka.